How to make Reels on Facebook. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Reels on Facebook. It's super easy, so make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log in to your account if you're not already signed in. On the home screen, tap the Posts icon. Tap on the Gallery icon to choose a video from your gallery. Once your video is selected, tap the video on the post. Here will be some tools. Use the tools provided to trim, edit, or rearrange clips as needed. Add creative elements like music, text, or stickers by selecting the respective icons at the top of the editing screen. Use filters or effects to enhance your reel by tapping the Effects option. Preview your reel to ensure it looks exactly how you want it. Tap Next. Add some description to the post. Finally, hit the Post icon to upload your reel to Facebook and let it reach your audience. That's how you can make and share Reels on Facebook. I hope this guide helps you create engaging and entertaining Reels for your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.